cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.
To change the icon of a folder, click the folder to select it, and then right-click. Select Icon from the drop-down menu. Select any icon you like by just clicking it. And the icon has changed. You can change the icons for all your folders if you like. To set the icon back to the default folder, click on the icon menu and then click Style Default. To set all icons back to the default folder, click on the icon menu and then reset all tree limbs to Cloud Default Icon.
cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.